Hi everyone, this is Sana with the department staff. I just wanted to go ahead for any students who do have access for a laptop to walk you through how to join Blackboard Collaborate sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay. And mine is going to look a little bit different from yours just because I'm an administrator, so I have access to a lot of classes. What I'm actually going to do is scroll all the way down to a class I had back in 2014. Just because if I join any other classes, you'll see the administrator access, which won't be very helpful. So once you get to the class that you want to join a Collaborate session for, you're going to see this menu here on your left in purple. You want to go ahead and click Tools, and then scroll down a little bit and click on Blackboard Collaborate. Once you get here, there's a potential for a couple things to happen. There will be a course room up top. You can either join here, or if your professor has decided to, they will have scheduled sessions and you would click on the actual session to join it. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and click on the course room and join course room. So I want to go ahead and allow it to use my microphone. It's going to test out the sound. As long as the bar is moving, you can click yes, it's working. And then you also want to allow it to use your camera. Right now I'm allowing Zoom to use my camera, so I actually won't show up, but that's fine. Just make sure that you do, and if not, go ahead and click no, I need help if your professor won't be able to see you on video. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes, it's working. I do not need a tutorial, thank you. So automatically, the way it's set up in this classroom and the way it could be set up in yours is that you are muted and you are not sharing video. So be sure if you're trying to speak and your professor can't hear you that you go ahead and unmute your audio. When you talk, that little white bar is going to start moving up and down inside of the microphone. You can also share your video here. Obviously I can't because Zoom is using my camera right now, but that won't be a problem for you. And then some professors will use the raise hand option. If you click this, it just lets you know that a professor is, it lets a professor know that you want to participate in some way, especially if the class is muted. They will either lower your hand or you can always lower it if whatever question you had is answered. Over here, this little purple menu on the bottom right is going to be your Collaborate panel. Here you'll be able to see the chat room. It's really up to your professor if the chat room is going to be used or not. I went ahead and said hi, it's Sana. Over here in attendees, you can also see who else is participating in the current Collaborate session. And over here at my settings is where you'll be able to fiddle with any video, audio, if you're too quiet or you can't hear anything, that you'll definitely be able to figure out in here. And then last but not least, when you want to leave a session, you go up to the session menu on the top left and you just go ahead and click leave a session. Don't worry about that right now. Great. So I've left the session. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing. I recommend using Chrome for your Blackboard Collaborate sessions. It's a free internet browser. I tried to use DuckDuckGo on my phone, and I think because of the privacy settings, it didn't allow Collaborate access to my microphone or my webcam. I'm not sure if that's always the case, but if you have any questions, email us at huntertheaterassistant@gmail.com. You can also check our website. We have new updated cell phone numbers for you to reach us, and also join the student Slack. It's going to be really helpful throughout the semester. See you soon.